The next World Youth Day will take place in Krakow, Poland in 2016. The announcement was made by Pope Francis at the end of the concluding Mass of the World event. Before an ocean of young people, many of whom had stayed to pray throughout the night as they awaited the return of the Pope. In his homily, Pope Francis exhorted the young people to go, to not be afraid, and to serve the cause of evangelization. If you follow these three ideas, you will experience that the one who evangelizes is evangelized. The one who transmits the joy of faith receives joy. Dear young friends, as you return to your homes, do not be afraid to be generous with Christ, to bear witness to his gospel. Bringing the gospel is bringing God's power to pluck up and break down evil and violence, to destroy and overthrow the barriers of selfishness, intolerance.
Sa lilim ng anino, tatak kailanman, tanda ng isang manunubos. Sa burol ng Corcovado, ang buong mundo'y puno ng pag-ibig niya. Paanyaya ni Kristo, halina, maging kaibigan ko. Sinusugo tayo ni Kristo, maging mga misyonero.
Namamasdan mo ba ngayon ang tagsibol? Nasa atin ang pag-asa ng mukhang liwayway. Naririnig mo ba ang panawagan niya? Tanggapin ka loob niyang pananampalataya. Narinig mo ba kung bawat bansa, bawat tribo at wika sa ngayong panahon ayaw sa digmaan, ayaw sa kali, pag-ibig, kapayapaan at kabutihan ang maghari. Paanyaya ni Kristo, halina, maging kaibigan ko. Sinusugo tayo ni Kristo, maging mga misyonero.
Mula silangan hanggang kanluran, walang pinto at bukas ang aming tahanan. Walang bakodang aming lupain, walang hangganan ang pag-ibig namin. Nakakalat kami sa buong mundo, aming taglay pa rin, iisang sigasig. Ang biyaya mo ay aming lakas at nagpapatatag na maging tapat sa'yo.
Paanyaya ni Kristo, halina, maging kaibigan ko. Sinusugo tayo ni Kristo, maging mga misyonero.
Narinig namin ang utos mo, humayat gawing alagad lahat ng bansa. Isang bagong bayang nakakaisa,